call my name. Hi guys, welcome back to Proudly Bird channel. I just landed in Mauritius, the African paradise. Bed size is big enough for one person. Oh my god, this is so lovely. And the view. Bathroom, and we have bathtub. Hi guys, I'm just about to go out to the beach. I'm not gonna do like some extreme water sports this time because I just got back on track after like 9 days sick leave due to some lower back pain. So I'm gonna focus more on recharging my body and spirits by the ocean and the beautiful palm trees. Because I'm recovering super well, by the way, but this is my very first layover after I come back from my sick days, so I want to take it easy. Oh, and I have a really cool story to share with you all from my time off. My back pain was like pretty bad to the point where I couldn't even walk properly. So I did some research on back pain and I was shocked that it can take up to weeks to months to fully heal. Honestly, that made me feel really anxious. That can prevent me from like traveling the new destinations and the beautiful places. But while I was sick, I realized having a healthy mentality would help me heal in a better way. That's when I thought of the movie The Secret. A part of the movie was like talking about since our body cells regenerate like every day, by visualizing we can actually make the healing process faster. There is no harm to believe in it and act on it. I did it like for the whole day by watching the movie. I slept, woke up next morning. Guess what? I could walk naturally with no pain. So I kept watching and watching, execute what the movie guided to me. Yeah, I was literally like blown away. I don't know if this theory has been scientifically proven. Like as I said, there's like no harm in believing it. If you guys are interested in it, go for this theory and let me know how it goes. I have a special guest today. Ta-da! Mr. or Mrs. Spider Eel. Sun is setting right now and it's time for dinner. Became dark, so quick. Vlogging. I have so many footage, but I never edit. That's my problem. I like it.
Me too.
Thank you. It is very good.
Really good.
I just wish it to be a little more like warm, but you know, it's a buffet. You can expect like
Yeah.
everything from buffet.
I'm really happy that we went, to be honest.
And she said the main course is really small portion, so we need to take a lot of appetizer. But I mean, it's not small.
I'm already feeling full, to be honest. I'm surprised. It's really good. I'm already so full.
Good morning from Mauritius. I just woke up, finished stretching. I feel so good, you know, waking up, seeing the palm trees and the blue skies, bird chirping. Everything just seems like a fairy tale. I don't want to go home, but this is what it is. Gonna get ready for the flight after having the breakfast. I have only an hour left till the breakfast buffet closes. So I'll be just walking around the resort a little bit, then breakfast, swimming, get ready for the departure. Yeah, sign off from Mauritius. 완전 깜짝 놀랐네. 누나가 좋아? 응? 싫어요? Guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today. I hope you guys liked it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today. I hope you guys like it, and I'm very glad to be back on YouTube again. And I'm planning to upload more videos about cabin crew life and cabin crew interview tutorials. So please subscribe my channel if you think my videos will be helpful for you guys. I need to go for checkout, but I can't wait to check in with you guys for the next video soon.
엄마, 레이오버가